Social media is become one of the biggest industries in the world, and it is $1 trillion industry plus right now. And currently, there are over 48 million people over at LinkedIn paying between $35 and $100 a month, and that's only 16%. Forgot if it's 16 or 18% of their 300 million people that are currently paying on LinkedIn. Okay, so you guys, that's a big number right there, 48 million people. So what I'm talking about today is, are people willing to go ahead and pay for social media? We've seen recently that on Facebook that there's been rumors going around that Facebook's going to start charging $3, and people are like, oh no, I'm not going to pay the $3. Well, that's because some of these social media sites have lost our trust by giving out our information and manipulating our emotions and going ahead and sharing this information with what I call the alphabet soup gangsters. Yeah, I don't really see people paying $3 a month for Facebook. And if Facebook did, people probably would be looking at other alternatives such as IQ Life. Now, IQ Life, from what I have seen here, I believe it is going to be much better than some of the other paid social media sites that are currently available. And the reason why I say this is, first of all, we're attracting a whole bunch of like-minded individuals. People, first of all, go to LinkedIn because they're getting in touch with a whole bunch of business-oriented people right there. Okay, well, wouldn't the business-oriented people probably be more interested in paying at least 1/3 less than what they're paying now, and actually have stock or potentially be partial ownership in the social media site itself? Doesn't that just make sense? Those are the kind of brains that people that I want to work with right there, are the people that actually see the big picture and what is possible when the biggest trend on the market goes ahead and hits. And that is what's taking place at IQ Life right now. And right now, with over 16,000 people that are already on board, this thing is getting ready to go ahead and just go absolutely bonkers. Okay, now, just for once, people are going to be able to go ahead and get paid on their social media networks. Now, here's what it takes for something to go just absolutely bonkers viral when we're dealing with social media is, number one, you've got to have the ability to go ahead and sign up free members and have them get paid, because out of LinkedIn, there's 300 million people right there, everyone. Okay, and out of that 300 million people, only 48 million people are paying right now. Okay, so that's a ton of people right there. Okay, but the thing about it is, what are these people getting in response? They can go ahead and see who their friends are. They can have a whole bunch of connections. That's cool. Okay, I mean, Facebook only gives you 5,000 connections because, some people know that when a whole bunch of people are able to go ahead and connect, some big, big, big life-changing, earth-changing things can take place right there. And some people don't want that. But others like myself, we really do. And all the people at IQ Life, they really want to make some changes in the world also. And, with the consolidation of wealth, we're living in an oligarchy currently, where the media, the billionaires out there are consolidating the wealth. The wealth, the middle class is going away. And so what is going to go ahead and save this? Technology, which is supposed to be a friend of ours and actually help make life a little bit more simpler, hasn't really done a good job lately of that. It's only actually made our lives more fast-paced, where we are going ahead and having to carry 2-3 jobs at a time to go ahead and support our families, and we don't get to see our kids. But I do, because I work from home doing this, socializing. Anyways, you guys, right there, these people on LinkedIn are not getting paid whatsoever on their people that they bring in. Okay, so now if you're able to bring these people in and you put them into a matrix like this, including the free members, okay, a 3x15 matrix that holds 21.5 million people, where these free members are going to have tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people up underneath them, they may want to go ahead and just pay that $9.95 right there, right? And also, the third thing is that a low-cost standpoint for the members that want to come in. Again, we're 1/3 on the low end of LinkedIn. That is the viral formula that has never been played out before, guys, and that's why we are going to go absolutely bonkers at IQ Life. So are people willing to pay for social media? You better believe it. And you're going to witness in 2014, moving into 2015, a movement unlike the world's ever seen. So join us today and spread the word out about IQ Life. Take care, and we'll see you on the new green social media site.